Imagine you're in a world where your phone bill is as low as your anxiety level. A world where you can make unlimited calls and send unlimited texts without breaking a sweat. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, what if I told you there's a service that promises just that? A service called Ooma. But here's the million-dollar question. Can you actually text with Ooma? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Ooma. A brief overview. Ooma is a VoIP voice over internet protocol service that lets you make and receive phone calls using your internet connection. It's like having a traditional landline, but without the pesky monthly fees. So, how does it work? Think of it like this. Ooma provides you with a physical device that you plug into your internet router. This device then converts your internet signal into phone calls. Now, back to our original question. Can you text with Ooma? The short answer: yes, you can, but there's a catch. While Ooma does offer text messaging, it's not quite the same as texting on your smartphone. Here's why. Ooma uses a feature called SMS to email. This means that when you send a text using Ooma, it gets converted into an email and sent to the recipient's email address. Similarly, when someone sends you a text, it arrives as an email in your Ooma inbox. So what's the downside of this? Well, for starters, it's not as convenient as texting directly on your phone. You have to check your email to see your messages. Also, there might be a slight delay between when a text is sent and when it's received. The pros and cons of Ooma texting. Let's break down the pros and cons of using Ooma for texting. Pros. Cost-effective. If you're looking to save money on your phone bill, Ooma is a great option. Unlimited texting. With Ooma, you can send and receive as many texts as you want without worrying about overage charges. Easy setup. Setting up Ooma is relatively simple. Just plug the device into your router and follow the instructions. Cons. SMS to email. Ooma's texting feature relies on SMS to email, which can be less convenient than texting directly on your phone. Potential delays. There may be a slight delay between when a text is sent and when it's received. Limited features. Ooma's texting features may not be as advanced as those offered by your smartphone. Is Ooma texting right for you? The answer to this question depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're primarily looking for a way to save money on your phone bill and don't mind the limitations of SMS to email, Ooma might be a good option for you. However, if you need advanced texting features or prefer the convenience of texting directly on your phone, Ooma may not be the best choice. So, can you text with Ooma? The answer is yes, but with some caveats. Ooma's texting feature relies on SMS to email, which can be less convenient than texting directly on your phone. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to send and receive unlimited texts, Ooma might be worth considering. However, if you need advanced texting features or prefer the convenience of texting directly on your phone, you may want to explore other options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.